Good morning, students. So, from yesterday we have been seeing the passive voice and also the active voice. Okay, active voice and passive voice. So, yesterday I told you how to write active voice and passive voice. So, today let us see when the sentence is in present tense, how to write it in passive voice. When the sentence is in past tense, how to change it into passive voice. And when the sentence is in future tense, how to change active voice into passive voice. So today let us see how to write the sentences from present tense. How to change the sentences when they are in present tense. Okay, children? Let us look now the sentences in present tense. Present tense. Okay, children. In present tense, there are three sentences. So, in present tense, there are four, but only three will be changed into passive voice. So, for example, present tense, simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. Second one is present continuous tense. Second one, present continuous tense. And third one, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. And fourth one, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. So, in present tense, how many types are there? Four are there. First one is simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, children. The sentences, if it is in present simple present tense, we can change into passive voice. If the sentence is in present continuous tense, we can change into passive voice, active voice into passive voice. When the sentence is in present perfect tense, we can change it into passive voice. But when the sentence is in present perfect continuous tense, we cannot change into passive voice. So there is no passive voice for present perfect continuous tense. Okay, children, remember. For these three, we have passive voice. For present perfect continuous, we can't change into passive voice. There is no passive voice for present perfect continuous tense. So I shall rub it. So let us see the simple present tense, present continuous tense, and also present perfect tense. So before looking these two, we have to see the simple present tense. Let us see the first one, simple present tense. Okay, children? So the rest two, present continuous and present perfect, we shall see next. So before these two, we will see the first one. We will look the first one in detail. Okay, simple present tense. So I shall write a sentence in simple present tense. Raju plays cricket. Raju plays cricket. Okay, children. This sentence is in which tense? Simple present tense. All of you remember. This sentence, Raju plays cricket, is in simple present tense. This is in simple present tense. Now, how shall we change it into passive voice? Now, this is in active voice. I told you yesterday, active voice means when the subject is acting, when the subject is performing the action. Who is performing the action now? Who is playing cricket? Raju is playing the cricket. So, this is active voice. So, how can we change it into passive voice? So, when the sentence is in simple present tense, how to change it into passive voice? So, what is the passive voice I told you? Now, subject is not performing the action. The action is, the subject is being acted upon. That means Raju is not the main thing here, but the action is being done to subject. That means Raju. That is passive voice. So we shall see how to change it into passive voice. So Raju plays cricket. This is subject. Okay children, Raju is subject, plays is verb, and cricket is object. Okay children, remember, Raju is subject, plays is verb, and cricket is object. Now when you change it into passive voice, the object becomes subject. So remember, the object becomes subject and the subject becomes object. Okay, it will be an interchange of subject and object. So we shall see now. So now object becomes a subject. Okay children, bring the object into subject. So what is it? Cricket. Okay, cricket. Now what is the next one? So next one. So the formula, before writing that I shall write the formula. So before changing into passive voice I shall write the formula. So here the subject, that means object, you are bringing object into subject. Subject plus helping verb. Subject plus helping verb plus V3. Okay children, V3 means verb 3. So verb 3, V1, V2 and V3. V1 means verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. For example, play, played, verb 1 is play, verb 2 is played, okay, verb 3 is played, and next fourth one is playing. Okay, eat, ate, eaten. Okay, verb 1 eat, verb 2 ate, verb 3 eaten. Okay children, so always in passive voice you have to write V3, that means verb 3. Next one, you have to add by. Always in passive voice, by, you have to add by and object. So remember, now we are changing the object into subject. So all of you remember, what is the object here? Cricket. So you are writing in the place of subject, cricket. What is the next helping verb? Children, helping verb means is, am, are. Okay, is, am, are, these are present form of helping verbs. అంటే present tense లో యూజ్ చేసేటువంటి helping verbs. Past tense లో యూజ్ చేసే helping verbs was and were. Okay, was and were are the past form of helping verbs. అంటే మనం past tense లో ఉన్న sentences రాసేటప్పుడు was and were రాయాలి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనం present tense లో ఉన్న sentences చూస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఈ 3 రాయాలన్నమాట. అంటే is, am and are. So is ఎప్పుడు రాయాలి? When the singular person, when we are talking about the singular person or singular thing. Okay, now am, when it is am, I, or when it is being used I దగ్గర మనం am యూజ్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ are. Okay, are, when the noun is in plural, that means object is in plural, you have to write are. Okay, when the object is in plural we have to write are. So with are also I shall explain to you another sentence. Let us see now. So cricket. So cricket is it is singular or plural? Cricket is one, so singular. What do you have to write? Is. Cricket is play. Play is, what is the verb 3 form of play? Played. Okay, played. Cricket is played. Next one, by. Who is the, now we are changing object into subject. So cricket is played by who? Raju. Cricket is played by Raju. Children, did you understand? So when the sentence is in simple present tense, the form of writing changing into passive voice is this: subject plus helping verb plus V3 plus by plus object. That means subject becomes object and object becomes subject. Okay. So cricket is played by Raju. So did all of you understand clearly? So I shall write another sentence. Okay. I shall write another sentence with the plural form. Okay. My mother writes letters. My mother writes letters. Now change the subject into object and object into subject. Okay. So now what is the object? Letters. So write letters. Letters. So letter is the singular. Letters means plural. So what form of helping verb you have to write? Are. Letters are written. Write, wrote, written. Okay. Write, wrote, written. Letters are written by whom? My mother. Letters are written by my mother. Very easy, no? So, very easily you can change active voice into passive voice. Enough to remember this formula. Okay, children? All of you learn this formula by heart. So, read this formula by heart and learn it. So, it will be very easy for you to change active voice into passive voice when it is in simple present tense. Okay, children? When the sentence is in simple present tense, it is very easy to change active voice into passive voice. So, all of you remember. So, the first thing you have to remember is subject becomes object, object becomes subject. Okay, remember it. And next, remember this formula. After writing the subject, what you have to write? Helping verb. So, I told you helping verb is and are. Okay, is and are. Next one, V3. V3 form means V1, V2 and V3. Verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. So I will give you the list of the verbs. Okay, next class I will give you the list of the verbs. So you will understand what is V1, V2 and V3. So next one, what you have to write? By. And next one, object. So the subject of the sentence you are bringing in and writing in the place of object. So very easy. So here letters. Letters are written by my mother. So these are the form how to write simple present tense. So change the sentence from simple present tense into passive voice. Okay, children. So the next one is present continuous tense. Next one is present continuous tense. So we shall see about the present continuous tense in next class. Okay, children. So all of you write this formula and learn it by heart.